We have another property for sale. This is 5 hectares, 5 ni ka-hektarya guys. With more or less 100 mango trees. At 200 pesos per square meter negotiable. So, pwede siya mahangyo. Adjacent to the property with coconut trees. So, nindot niya siya guys. I-convert into industrial like poultry or piggery. Kay nindot man kayo from highway is just around 1.3 kilometer. In a flat terrain, no? Then there is also a portion side by side which is uphill. The uphill na gamay. So, this is really a good investment. 200 pesos per square meter. Barato ra guys. Compared atong 250 pero di man kita kabuot sa mga owner kung mao gyud pud ilang gusto may tabo. So all we have to do is to make an offer lang po, no? Pero as for me, barato-barato gyud ni siya. Mas nindot-nindot gyud ni siya. Sikit lang kayo ang mangga, guys. Marag dugol ra kayo ba. Pero sige lang, at least no, nindot ra gyud kayo. Nya kuan guys. As in ideal for kay diri man good one time no nangita mi para poultry wa mi kita pero di ara di diri. So ang nakanindot sa yuta man good guys is rectangular in size, rectangle straight going straight agad siya. Then see nay usa ka balay dito dapita sa pikas to side na bilong kadto kauban tos coconut trees. Pero they have already informed that they are going to move out. But this property has no house or inside. Kana mga balaya biyaan na guys, wala na siya. Then the good thing here kay for example, if you can buy this property and you have the mango trees. Mango trees po mango trees. Mangga po ang produkto, mango. So Carabao Mango ang products. So much better palito nimo ang duha, mango and coconut tree. So mo to guys no. The property with coconut trees is adjacent to the property with mango trees. But still there are several coconut trees also on the mango trees. Regarding the road right of way, it's been already negotiated. Sabot na guys, no problem na no. But the good thing is you can buy these two properties to expand. For example, because this is the first lot, then the second lot is the with mango trees. So mao na siya guys no. Duha ka buok nga tong property nga gi-for sale. The first one with coconut trees and the second one with mango trees. So daghan sad nga mangga. And this is the good thing lang sa with mango trees is a titled property. So barato kayo, tag 200 pesos per square meter. Then there are portions no is really uphill. Then it's nice to have a house on the top of the hill. So mas nakanindot ana guys. No? So mao gini siya. So tudloan ko sa boundaries. Neighborhood na ni mga neighborhood guys ay hinaan ni. May mga silingan. Don't worry. So then this is really near to the highway. Duol ra pod sa highway guys. Signal is mao gito smart ang atong signal kusog diri. So makita na to na hawan di nga dako, it's included niya mo uh, moabot pa sa kuan tumoy. So meaning on the top, it will reach on the top the boundary. So very nice to have a house on the top of the property and mountain view. I repeat, so I repeat guys, no, it's 5 hectares at 200 pesos per square meter. So 10 million po di. Negotiable man. So, problema, maghangyo-hangyo lang gud. Taka lang ko. So, mo no. Nice kayo ang property gihapon guys. Adjacent sa with coconut trees. Action ko hangat dire. Kaya nisaka naman ko. Okay. Atong i-recap no, the first one we are selling is the with coconut trees, 1.8 hectare. Then there is another around 5 to 6,000 square meters, but no price yet. But maybe it can sell. It can sold no, together initially at 250 pesos per square meter. Then this one is just only 200. Nang ibutangan na og bato. Murag iyan ang boundary guys ba. So nindot kayo. Very nice. Buka na ko. Layo Ginoo guys kay motor man ko. From Liloan to Tuburan. Agi pa ko dito sa may Balamban. Pero pwede go tuyokon ra diri sa Liloan. Diretso na ta sa Imi. Imi diri sa may dito ta agi sa Paingon Bourbon. Yali ko na Tabuhilan. Wala Tuburan. Mas duol diri sa Liloan na giyon. So, nindot kayo guys. Patag. Very nice. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So, initially, temporarily, there is a Carabao, no? Sa nagbantay na guys, sa nagbantay to the caretaker. Okay? Okay, thank you very much. Mohon, no? That's Mohon, Monument Post. Thank you very much, and God bless to all. We will process land transfer, land title transfer. Thank you.